Props. It's a RWA project that, in my opinion, has good potential. What is the minimum maximum gains, in my opinion? All right, so all these are very difficult to do, like the minimum maximum gains, because nobody knows. It literally depends on the advertisement that they do. Like all of these coins that you're asking for, minimum, you're looking at a 3 to 5x. If they did nothing, if they did poop, squat, diddly squat, you're looking 3 to 5x. Now, if they put in work, if they increase their Telegram size, if they increase their Discord size, if they increase their Twitter size, if they start getting, people talking about them, if they start paying for advertisements, if they start getting YouTubers to make videos on them, if they have something in the works as far as partnerships, if they have all that stuff, man, you're looking, depending on the market cap, 10x, 20x, if not more. And then depending on what category. Are they gaming? Are they AI? Are they gaming and AI? Is it play to earn? So all these different fields that they can get into as far as the narrative, even better. But right now, without doing nothing, 2x, 3x. Even if it's a crap coin, they're gonna do 2x, 3x. More than likely. Hold the coin long enough, you'll see a 2, 3x. Now, if they have potential, if they have, stuff behind it, 10x, 20x. Give you a heads up. So this is prop base, known as props. This is 46 million. Okay, let's go to all. Very nice. Back in 2023 is when it got released, according to this, and did some really nice numbers. Came down, not too bad, and then started coming up again. All-time high 4 months ago. It's down 52%. Not bad. Most coins right now are down 50, 75%, give or take. Where can you find it? MEXC Gate.io, BitGet. Okay, not the best of exchanges, but I mean, it's better than just Uniswap, so that's good. Welcome to the future of real estate investing. Ding, ding, winner, winner, right? So blah, 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 words, this and that. Okay, more words, more probably important stuff. Then build on, okay, more important stuff, blah, blah, blah. Okay, and then more important stuff. Yes, low fees. Okay, got it. Next generation property investing experience. Fractional ownership. Earn rental yield, qualified properties, peer-to-peer marketplace. Sell your tokens anytime by creating a listing on P2P marketplace. See, our app is great for individuals, enterprise, and funds. I really like this. Residential, condo launches, commercial. So like if you want to invest in a business, but you don't have $200,000, you have $5,000. Well, you could partially own a business, open a fraction of it, and then their revenues, you could be getting, your percentage on that. I find this very interesting. I think I really like the token. And then of course you have more stuff here. You have the white paper, you have the light paper, you have the roadmap. So I don't like anything that you have to download. Be very careful when you download anything, guys. Like literally, if possible, have a computer only for your exchanges that you're on. If possible, have multiple phones. Okay, moving on. Tokenomics, why not? I already like it. So IDO, blah, blah. Okay, so that stuff, it doesn't really interest me. I'd rather look at it from this other thing. So let's come over here. Let's go to research. Let's go to cryptorank.io. Let's come over here, let's paste this, and let's see what this says. This does not have any vesting. I like seeing the vesting. This tells me when the tokens will be unlocked. Maybe they're all unlocked. I don't know. We'll see. Here, the market cap, according to this, is 45.9 million. Total diluted value is 155 million. That is if all of the coins were to be out right now. That's what the price would be. However, there's only 29% of the tokens out. Where are the other ones? That always concerns me. Does the team hold 30%? Is there 40% for marketing? Is there 60% for the people who bought early and we're gonna get dumped on? To me, that's very important. So for this, I would have to do a deeper dive, go into possibly their white papers. I can't because I don't want to download anything. All right, moving on. 40x return on investment. Very nice. Very nice. It was done just under a year ago. and it's done at 40x. That's really nice. I like this one a lot, guys. I really do. If you have money, stop messing around, do the VIP. If you don't have money, don't worry about it. I'll show you how to do this stuff for free on the videos that we have here. So if you want just to support the channel, just say, hey Joe, you're the best, and you will become my favorite. It's $19 a month if you want to do that. And then of course, if you want to do the monthly with a credit card, it's right here. It's $99 a month. And of course you get all this stuff. And then of course, if you want to do lifetime, here's a lifetime. Here's the lifetime. Now, if you want to pay with a crypto, then just send me a message on Telegram. Okay, so now let's look at the charts. Let's go to a daily time frame. Where would we have bought? I don't think we would have bought here because it didn't make a higher high. Go 4 hour. Okay, we can't cheat. We would buy the break of this. No cheating here, guys. You cheat, you're cheating yourself and only yourself. We would have seen this level. It would have to break this level. We would have to put an alert right here. This is how we do it, guys. This is how we do it. Put an alert right here. The 4 hour candle must close above this, which would have been right here. We would have entered here. It would come down, and then it would have continued up. And then this is where we would have added to our entry. It's the same thing over and over again. Same thing over and over again. So here, like, we don't tell you the woulda, shoulda, coulda, woulda. We show you our technique. We show you our system, and you apply that system every single time. Now, would I enter right now? No. No, no, no. Why not? Well, I just showed you it went up 130 something percent in like, what, a week? It is bound to come down. Yeah, in a week. Well, this one's kind of tricky. Where would I enter? This one, I really like it. I see this one doing a 10x minimum. So what I want to do is I want to do the fib retracement from the beginning of the move. So it started going up, kind of slowed down a little bit, and then came up again. So I'm going to check this one too, but I do like the actual beginning of the move. So make sure it snaps in place. So this would be the golden pocket. I don't think it's going to come back down here. Okay, this one I like a little bit more. And the reason I like this a little bit more, because I don't think it's going to come way down here. It came down here. It touched the 382, so 32%. On average, right now, these coins are going, some of them, not all of them, some of them are going 23, 25%. Right now, it's right at 23%. Man, I like this, man. I really do. This one's a tough one just because it ran up so much already. If we have Bitcoin pulling back, this one could pull back all the way into the golden pocket. So I would have to see what the price is going to do. One, it can come down here, then come up, then. So if it does this, then what I would do, it's a big stop loss, but we're only in 25%. So it might come down, might come back up, and I'm looking over here for my levels. Might come up, might come back down, and it has to break this level, this recent high, in order for us to enter. This would be our first entry. If it does come down here and then breaks out of our golden pocket, then we could, it's higher risk, we could enter here. Now all this, it just really depends on what the coin does. But right now, in my opinion, it's not ready. Like we literally have to wait to see what it's going to do. There's another area, which is right here, that it could break above. So let's just say it did come up. Then we're looking at this. And then here is where we would do our entry. So once it breaks this level, then on the break of this, the 4 hour candle close, you could enter it and then just wait for a pivot, then add to your entry. Hopefully all that makes sense. Why is this not to the front? Get out of here. Make it clear. All right. So hopefully that works. Hopefully that makes sense. But once again, I do like this one a whole bunch. I really do. And for this, I would either wait. I would set an alert right here at this number to see if it does go up. Then of course we could, enter a trade. Or I would set an alert down here. I'll set an alert down here. Get out of here. I'll set an alert right here to get alerted. I don't enter, I just wait. If the price action comes down below it, I set an alert again, same spot, to wait for it to come up. Once it comes up, then the 4-hour candle must close above our zone. So hopefully all that makes sense. Everything that I say is from experience. This is what's going to save you so much time, so much money, and so much effort. Like, it's super important. Now, if you're in the VIP, I have videos that are 3, 4, 5 minutes long on average. If you want to make money, I will show you how. I would offer the free group, but it's already full. I have a huge wait list. So more than likely, if I do let 3 or 4 people go, the spots are filled. Not only that, but when people do sign up for the VIP because they're making money in the free group, I am very, very invested to make you money in this free group so you can get the VIP. When those people leave the free group and get into the VIP, well, there's just so many more people that are trying to take their spot. I would strongly recommend getting the VIP. You're gonna make money. Now, granted, none of this is financial advice. It's never hopes and dreams and empty promises, nothing like that. See what I do. See if this makes you money. I give you my real life experience based off of my trainings, based off of my teachings, what I would do at that moment versus what everybody else does, because they want to sell you their course. They want to sell you all that stuff. I show you that my stuff works. Do we win? Yes. Do we lose? Sometimes. That's part of the game. But what I do is I show you all this so that you can see, oh man, I lost today, but Joe said he lost too. So it's okay. That's what I want you to realize, guys. If you like the content that I provide, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're not already, and leave me a comment in the comment box. And I'll see you on the next video. And as always, let's make this money.